Yo! Come and flex, baby. Yeah, we're back
to another roast session.
Damn, G. Hey, yo. Let's fix this shit a little crazy. There we go. Today we're doing Chainsawman episode 8. Damn, I don't even know.
Start roasting.
I think it's episode 8.
Yo, what episode we on? Episode.
Wait, we on episode 6, my guys. No. Hell no. Yo. Nah, he's copying me. No, we on 8. We on 8, bro. Wait, maybe 7. We on 8. No, I think it's 7. Yo. Nah, I think we're on 7.
It's 8.
Wait, we on 8?
Bro, the taste of a kiss, bro. Bro, he ate that. Ate that vomit, bro.
Oh yeah. We did watch it. Yeah, we all did. I done it myself.
So the ass is going crazy.
That shit was fucking disgusting.
Woo! So y'all think my boy about to hit?
Nah.
Damn.
I don't think so.
He about to be knocked, huh?
Definitely not.
He knocked. He got drunk
off
of like.
Split to see.
Damn, that's crazy. Damn, that's even crazy.
Is it really?
That's rape.
Huh?
Huh?
Whose house is this?
Huh?
Yeah.
What the fuck? Oh, this is her house. That's when she brought him there.
Yeah? Is she drunk too?
Damn.
She fakes.
How did he pass out again?
From the fucking vomit. It was disgusting.
But didn't he throw up?
Yeah, that nigga was.
But he passed out after?
I think so.
Yeah.
Man, I was nasty, bro. I almost threw up myself.
That shit was fucking disgusting.
Ooh, I can't even imagine. Oh, man. Oh,
You
man.
will have to throw up after that, though.
Oh, shit.
She taking his shoes off. She ready to fuck.
Damn, now I'm thinking about it, I feel like throwing up.
Yeah, I definitely feel like
yeah,
once
y'all reminded me of the kiss shit,
why would you say that, bro?
Bro, it happened, bro. How can you
that's
not forget?
disgusting,
How can you forget what?
I wiped it from my memory. I tried to wipe it from my memory, bro.
Alright, bro. We gonna agree to never mention it from this day forward.
Alright, bet.
Yo, but what about that kiss though?
Yo.
Man, y'all be
she's
careful.
scripting for this nigga, bro. She getting ready to fuck, buddy.
A lot of fan service in this.
I ain't gonna hold you. This shit dead.
You talking about that, right?
Yeah.
That's what I said.
I don't know what's wrong with y'all.
What? Oh, she wasn't bad. Yo.
Wait, you got go backs?
Wait, you got go backs?
She not. Hey, yo.
Did we all get that?
I guess.
What?
This shit free, bro.
What? I didn't know you could go back.
You bugging, bro. It's on the top left, right, bro.
I thought you had to pay for that shit. How many go backs did you do?
Oh, I already used yours. Oh, there you go. You can still get it.
Oh shit. Wait, how many did you get?
I don't know.
I'm not wasting that shit.
The day's almost over.
That bitch hiccuping. She ready to throw up in his mouth again. Mizu. Say, I got some mizu for you, nigga.
She got. Yeah, she do.
She got some mizu mouth. Is that mizu?
I'm actually drinking more.
The fuck is that?
Alcohol.
Beer, bro. Or something. It's that thought juice. Thought juice, baby.
That nigga bricked up.
Nah, he drunk.
You right? Yeah, I know why.
She changed his life, bro.
Yeah, you right.
That nigga had nothing to live for.
You still, never mind.
I saw a scene. It's actually crazy.
A Magima?
Nah, it's some shit. You'll see. Yeah, 3D, that CGI go crazy.
Said his dick.
When's the next time I'll be in a bed like this?
Yeah, man. It's a hard life out there.
It's been too long.
Said his dick.
She's too far from this video.
Wait, what? How's that you?
Oh, I thought that was nose. Have sex. Yo, she's trying to stick him up. I'm about to take off his shirt.
Cap.
Is it?
How old is she again?
I don't even remember.
Bro, where did she pull the string and then his
This
dick
nigga's-
turned into a chainsaw?
Oh, nah, that's wild.
Oh man, that'd be crazy. She about to throw up on his knee.
No.
They getting crazy, bro.
Elephant.
Niggas are elephants.
What is it?
Huh?
Oh, this how he passed out? They didn't show us how he passed out.
It's a flashback. Alright. I thought he was dreaming the entire time.
He's traumatized, bro. He look like one of those traumatized cartoons after shit goes down.
Nigga, what? It was right there.
Some Ozzy shit. Some Sim shit right there.
Crazy. Honestly, I heard that he didn't get pussy. I looked it up.
Of course he did.
They said that he had shit or something.
Huh?
I thought he shit on himself or something. I think I didn't read it properly. I was trying to get spoiled, but not at the same time. It was tight.
Yo, this is a waste of an episode.
Damn, they said he halfway through.
What?
I said he halfway through the episode.
I super like her.
Wait, what he said? He liked the shit out of her?
Yeah. Oh yeah, that's that crazy shit. Yo, I was like, what the fuck? Nah, that shit wild.
God damn. How do you look like that?
Yo, pay attention, bro. You can't miss any part of the scene.
Relax, bitch. She making mad news anyways.
Man, shut up.
Oh, nah.
Oh, shit. Damn.
Yo, what?
On site? That's crazy.
No way, this ain't that. Oh, I was about to say.
That's it. Yes.
Yeah, that's not the end of the episode.
I know she's not dead.
She ain't dead. She ain't dead.
Fuck. What should I do that?
They about to raid them, bro? Yeah, them people always up to no good. Why he's tying his pocket?
Damn, she got caught.
Yo!
She got caught locking though. Damn.
She have a strap in her hand, nigga.
That's what you got.
They shot her twice though. They shot her in the head and the heart.
You gotta have a Glock on you loaded, bro. What do you mean?
You gotta be
regardless.
You can't sleep, G.
Even if
oh
it's
shit,
loaded,
it's about to go down.
she's still lacking, bro.
Who they shooting?
Everybody.
Yo, everybody?
No,
Everybody strapped?
Yo.
Yo.
Damn, this really on sight for real.
The whole gang outside?
They pumping gas?
Even the grandmother? Yo! Nah, she got it.
Who are they?
Nah,
wait, who they just shot?
You can't hear that shit?
I'm dead.
The fuck is you?
What's up, man?
I wonder if he got a strap too. He definitely got a strap.
Okay.
Yeah, strapped in there. Like I said, nigga, big fucking strap, nigga. Word. What the fuck?
Nigga, what? What is this nigga?
Like I said, strapped, nigga. Damn.
Damn!
I told y'all.
One guy?
I was strapped though.
What he gave up?
Hey,
what's going on?
You definitely all work for the gun devil.
What?
What?
What? Yo! Wait, what?
Yeah, you meant a devil.
What is it, an angel? Or is he like Denji? He's... What the fuck?
Here's the machete sword.
Oh, he's
Nice.
he took out his sword, nah.
It's a sword.
The sword is crazy. The hell? 3
3 what? Years?
years? It has to be years. Yo, why don't you cut his head off?
Facts. Sheesh. This nigga wildin'. Damn.
Or does it take 3 hits? This nigga really pull out the sword.
Nah, that nigga get. Yo, that's it for his head. What the fuck is he doing?
Yo, what's going on here? Yo!
What?
Oh, fuck. Oh, he's about to snap that
What
shit.
the hell is that?
What is happening?
What the fuck?
I'm so confused right now.
It's like one of those coffin traps.
Damn.
Basically the shit that Orochimaru used on fucking the Hokage, the third Hokage.
If she's still moving.
You better hear that
She
nigga?
might eat him.
Oh,
Yo!
nah. That's crazy. Just like that.
Possession? What the hell is going on?
Damn, this ain't about to die.
Yo!
Damn, that nigga fast.
Oh, you cut him?
Probably.
Yeah.
Wait.
I thought he cut his head off.
I thought his head was gonna come off too.
Yeah.
Oh no.
I mean, you moved that quick.
Yeah, that shit was quick.
Oh my god.
Yo!
Yo. The fuck? That's crazy. So she did that for no reason.
Basically, Chelsea.
That shit is intense.
They said basically Chelsea. Nah. Damn, her whole body's gone?
She gave up everything.
Your soul's probably gone too.
Sheesh. That's crazy. Type shit. Hey.
Yo.
Nah, we dead gotta listen to all these endings, bro. I ain't gonna lie.
That just said skip intro.
It is an intro.
Damn, yo. Damn, G. What's going on? I ain't gonna hold you. I'm flabbergasted.
Really?
They wasted half the episode, though. I ain't gonna lie.
It don't matter.
Bro,
Really?
Bro, this shit wild, G.
She didn't do anything in the process. All she did was save him from dying.
For now. He about to die in a few minutes.
Again. So nobody can save them.
Damn.
I bet. I don't even know who's gonna come
That
save them.
sucks, though. I ain't gonna hold you.
So who the fuck is gonna save them? Because they can't do that shit. Not against that big ass
Whoa.
snitch. You just move on like that?
Yeah.
Yo.
That's tough, bro. What can you do? We all know Chainsawman is here. He's gonna save the day.
No, he's not.
He's gonna stop everybody.
He's gonna fight a big ass snake.
So who's
Yeah,
gonna
be crazy if he got reincarnated as a demon, bro.
Who?
Ooh.
Chainsawman.
Why did he get reincarnated?
I don't know. I don't know how demons are born in this world.
Bro, let's be honest. He's gonna
It's
come
from,
back.
like, fears.
Yeah.
Like different things that people fear.
I think he is a reincarnation though in some way.
Yeah, he gonna get reincarnated.
Yeah, I don't know about that. He's shy.
Wait, I don't know if he could heal that injury.
But I wanna see what happened. I wanna see what happened to
brain
Makima.
shot though?
Yeah, I think he can, bro.
Yeah, he's a devil.
I think he could.
He ain't no.
I mean, I
I
guess.
feel he could, bro.
He's
But
the
like,
main
don't you need your
character.
brain to not be to be able to do that?
I don't know, man. But think about it.
Because some people you can't.
Remember the devil? There was like, he was like, my heart's not here. So I think he got hit his heart or something. Because I remember that nigga was like, yeah, my heart's not here, so y'all can't kill me.
I think he does have
I mean, I guess as long as you pump blood, but like, I don't know.
I don't know either.
Isn't that head supposed to be enough too?
It should be, but
I don't think so.
I don't know. Maybe chopping it off is different from shooting it. I don't know.
Yeah, you're right. Because it's still connected to the body.
Yeah, so.
But like, there's different types of regeneration out there, so. I
So
guess we got to
they're
find that in the next
devils,
episode, bro.
They
Yeah,
heal just
we're
for
gonna have to find the next
Wow,
episode.
G.
No, they
But
heal-
fuck that shit, Makima, bro. I want to see her come back, bro.
She probably-
I want to see how she gonna come back.
Bro, they probably not dead, bro. Right?
They're not.
Only Makima
Oh,
is
she's
definitely not dead.
She's
Yeah,
definitely
she's
dead.
not
Yeah,
dead.
the rest of them is dead though.
Yeah,
Them niggas is definitely dead.
unfortunately.
Yeah.
Yeah, I wonder if anybody else can die. For real, for real.
Yeah, man, I can't believe she died though.
That's crazy.
Like died, like
Bro, she was just trying to get Aki.
the entire time. But she could try to get him though. She
She a pussy, bro. She was scared.
Wait, what?
She could just try to get her.
Yo, who brought those
herself.
crackers?
What do you mean?
Four crackers.
Crackers on top of the fridge.
Yo, shut up! We're doing a video.
What do you mean she could have got it herself?
Like she could try to touch him herself.
You talking about like get with him?
Yeah,
I mean, she probably was scared, bro.
yeah, I know. I'm just saying.
She didn't want to see him
You
die.
probably look at him different, her different.
Oh, yeah, I'm talking about that. Bro,
You could
honestly,
try. She could try, bro.
When girls really
now she gonna die with all that.
They don't be confident to go and talk to them.
Yeah.
That's you right.
If they don't like the nigga, then you should be mad. You should go and kiss the nigga. You know, yeah. I hope you enjoy that.
She could got drunk around him and then try to touch him.
What?
I said she should have started drinking and try to touch him.
Shit.
I mean, they be not drinking.
Yeah, but she was around then. I don't know, man. She can't control herself when she's drinking, so it don't matter. Anyways, let us know what you think of the episode.
Yeah, a week? Why are we always doing this?
Honestly, I think the next episode comes out tomorrow.